Hello YouTube, this is BMW Lee. Today I'd like to show you one of my clients G05 X5 with the Msport package. That's right, he bought this vehicle last year. It has about little more than 15,000 kilometers so far. So he's been like this vehicle so much. So he actually replaced the black kidney grill. He purchased those things at the eBay. He spent about $120, and today he actually done the side mirror things as well on top of it, which he spent another 120. It's not that hard to do it by yourself. You can just take this thing off. It has about 8 clips inside, and after that you can just replace the new one. That's how he's done this vehicle. Yes, other than that, it's like a plain vehicle. It doesn't do anything much other than those two things. So once you purchase Msport's package, so what it does have is with M brake, as you see right here, with M wheel, and this thing match with the body color, and this thing is black rose as well, with this on top of it here is black also. With M badge and the M Sport seat, as you see, with the M steering wheel. We're gonna take a short POV with this vehicle. When you look it over here from Essential Package, you'll see those heat and cold buttons. And because of the Msport package, it has the Msport seat. Yes, this is how I just mentioned it. Lumbar support with Hammond carbon speakers.